Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to Photoluke Hawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Friday, June 26, 2020. This is our numbers as of today. There is a new update about the 14-day mandatory quarantine. Governor has announced that August 1st, 2020, the 14-day mandatory quarantine will still be in effect, but for returning residents and visitors, if you do a pre-flight test 72 hours ahead, which is 3 days ahead of your flight, and it produces a negative result, you will not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. From what I hear, this test can be gotten at CVS, or I'm not sure if other drugstores like that or similar places like that, but I think the test, they said, is going to cost between $120 to $150 something dollars, and you would do this 3 days or 72 hours ahead of your flight. We will be finding out more details about this sometime in the near future. I will leave a link down below for the Hawaii State Department of Health if you want to check out that links for the most up-to-date information about our current situation in Hawaii. Also check out gohawaii.com. I'll leave a link to them also down below. I found better information on there that explains the travel situation a little bit better. They have information about places of interest that are being allowed to open after a certain date. And but just know that even though they post at that date that they'll be able to open that day, does not mean that that business, will be opening on that day. For instance, like Polynesian Culture Center, it says it can open from June 28th, but I called them and I confirmed they're not going to be open until September. So when you see the dates on there for opening, when it's okay for them to open, it doesn't mean necessarily that that business will be opening or that place of interest will be opening, but it does mean that they can be open at that time. So best thing to do is always check the websites or call that business ahead of time to make sure that they're open. Another good example is like the Honolulu Zoo is not open every day, and we didn't know this. It's best to check on their website or call ahead to find out information before you go out there. You can also check out our Hawaii News Now or KHON2 News on YouTube. You can do that by searching for them. I'll have their names if you want to search on YouTube for them, or I'll have their websites down there so you can look for their news information on their websites also. Always carry a mask with you whenever you go out, just in case you need to put it on to enter an establishment or a business. And make sure you're practicing social distancing, washing your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water when you get a chance to. And if you can't use soap and water, use hand sanitizer. A lot of places have that at their establishments. Use it so that you reduce the level of risk that we all expose ourselves to when we're out and about. There are many places of interest that have opened with limited access or limited scheduled days or limited hours. Please check on their websites before going down, like I said earlier, or call them to make sure that they're going to be open on the day that you want to go down and the times that you want to go down. But some of these places that are open already are like Hawaiian Railway Society, Kualoa Ranch, Wet and Wild Water Park, Honolulu Zoo, Waimea Valley, Bishop Museum. I think all the botanical gardens are now open. Iolani Palace and Pearl Harbor. On the Big Island, Panaeva Rainforest Zoo, Mauna Kea, Hawaii Volcano National Park. On Maui, Haleakala, and I'm sorry, I don't know about Kauai and all these other places, but there are places opening up, places of interest. Make sure that those places are actually open, or that they're going to be open on the times that you want to go there. They may not be open every day. They might have limited hours, so just gotta call ahead or check their website before you go down. We have some dates for reopening of some places of interest, including the Waikiki Aquarium is opening on June 29th, Hanauma Bay and the Maui Ocean Center July 1st, the Polynesian Culture Center, which has pushed their opening day back to September, while other places like Sea Life Park or Diamond Head State Monument on Oahu hasn't said when they're going to open. Same thing with the Imiloa Astronomy Center on the Big Island. They haven't said when they're going to be open yet also. I just want to put this out there for any aspiring YouTubers or existing YouTubers. People are asking for Hawaii shopping videos or Hawaii food videos. It is an opportunity waiting for somebody to take a hold of that, or not just one person. There's so much food opportunities here. It could be several people doing this. It is a good opportunity, and I think you will do really well. That's not really our thing. We like to show visitors places and fun things to do, although we're not that adventurous. So there's another opportunity there for adventurous people, you know, the hiking and the wild things like skydiving and scuba diving and all those kind of things, jet skiing and whatnot. That's not really our thing. We're kind of on the mellow side. So these are some opportunities for any YouTubers in Hawaii that want to have a successful YouTube channel here. Please consider that, because people want to see that. There's a need and a demand for it, and that's just not our thing. But I wanted to put that out for you folks to think about. That's something that you folks could do. And if you do start a channel like this, please let me know, because then I want to share you with people so that we can get the word out for you. And you know, because like I said, people want to see this. Okay, so let me know if you do start a channel like that. Don't forget, we have a Hawaiian music playlist for you to enjoy. I'll leave a link down below. It's just a combination of my videos and other people's videos, or the music artist videos, and I put it all together. I'm still adding to it a little bit here and there. You can use the shuffle option on there, so you can listen to the songs or watch the videos in a different order. You can also make your own personalized playlist off of our playlist of your favorites on there, and add your favorite stuff in there also. Photolook Hawaii is sponsored by Molokai Hawaiian music artist Lono. You can go to lonomusic.com to go check him out. Thank you, Lono, for letting us use your music. lonomusic.com, link will be down below. If you want to see what our family does on trips, or if you like Bon Dance, please go to Photolook Hawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel and check us out there. I wanted to keep our Hawaii videos and our travel videos separate, so that's why I made another channel. It's not to ask you guys to go and subscribe to another channel, although we would appreciate that too. But you can check us out over there. If you like this video, or even if you don't like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. And if you want to help us out a little bit more, don't forget to check out our Patreon page. That link will be down below. Thank you so much for all the new Patreons that have come aboard our Photolook Hawaii team. And thank you to all of you who continue to support us throughout all this time. Some of you for over a year now. Thank you so much for your support. Mahalo nui loa, which means thanks very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha. Thanks for watching, you guys. Take care.